Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. Today we are going to discuss job notifications. Right friends, job notifications, and you can get online classes for all within few months. Right friends, within few months. That is, next you can call me on 9640123412 for getting a personal guidance for various other kind of government examinations. Simultaneously, you can download the news analysis on daily basis from our Telegram channel, right friends? So you can get the daily PDF, right? And you can type Acquire IAS itself, right? You can type Acquire IAS in your Telegram search box, then you can get, and you can join. You can get newspaper on daily basis early morning, right friends, and other job notifications as well, and the monthly magazines of job notifications, etc. All kind of PDFs you can get in our Telegram channel, right friends. You can WhatsApp me as UPSC 2021 for new batches, right friends, and these are few my details, and you can join our Telegram channel. The links will be given in the description box, right? So here not only the government jobs for particular JIT, IBPS, SSC, SBI or banks, but also for UPSC and SSC, railways, etc. All other kind of examinations notifications will be given here, right friend. This is presented by Acquire IAS, right friend. So we will see further. So these are the some offline details of few offline batches. So next we will see the vacancies announced by Punjab National Bank, right friends. So what is the name of the post? That is name Punjab National Bank SO, that is Specialist Officer Recruitment 2020 online form, right friends. So here you can see Specialist Officer Manager and Senior Manager latest vacancies 2020. These are the latest vacancies friends, and the date which is posted on 7th September, right friends. So now we are going to see some kind of important dates which are important for this application. So that the important date begins at 8th September. The application begins on 8th September, and the last date for this application is 29th of the September 2020, and the last exam date fees, you can pay fee, that is the last date of the examination fee is 29th September itself, and the examination of the date the date of the examination is, it will be in October or else in November 2020, and the admit cards will be notified very soon. So that means admit card still not had be notified, right friends. Next, application fees. What are the fees for the various other kind of categories? So we will see here. For general and OBC it is 850, for SC, ST and PH that is 175. PH is nothing but physically handicapped. Next, pay the examination fees through. The fees can be accepted by the debit card, credit card, net banking and net banking fee mode only, right friends. So these three only accepted, and there is no postal service for this friends, right? So next we see here age limit. The age limit should be minimum 25 and maximum 35 for the manager, and maximum 37 for the senior manager. Age relaxation extra as per the rules, right friends. So you can go for the notification for age relaxations, right? So if you have any doubt, let me know in the comment sections regarding the age relaxations and or any other things, right friends. So let me move forward here. So what kind of questions you'll get in the examinations, what kind of marks and what kind of time, how much time they will provide you. So let me tell you everything here. So first of all, it will come as a reasoning number of questions will be 50 and number of marks will be 50. And English language, the number of questions will be 50, marks will be 25. Next, quantitative aptitude. For quantitative aptitude, 50 questions, 50 marks. Next, professional knowledge relevant to the post. Professional knowledge relevant to the post, that is 50 questions and 75 marks. Total 200 questions and 200 marks, friends, right? And the time duration they will give you around 120 minutes, right friends. So penalty answers, yes, There will be penalty for wrong answers, that is 1/4 or 0.24 for wrong answers, right friends. And next we see application fees for SC/ST, that is 175 per candidate, only intimation charges, and all other candidates get 850 per candidate, right friends. So next, that is it for this video friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe, please do like and share, and subscribe this YouTube channel Acquire IAS for getting more UPSC, other SSC and job notifications. And you can get our Telegram channel, you can get PDFs on our Telegram channel friends, right? So thank you very much, have a great day.